shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment. Did you capture it? Just let it slip.
There's a new hope, a new glare in the sky.
Strong as ever, our flag flies high. Isaac Steel, shaping dreams, building nation with the strength of steel.
Isaac Steel.
Pride of steel.
What is it that sustains the eternal flow of molten metal, flowing ceaselessly? Steel of such fine quality that is preferred by one and all. Steel that helps reduce tonnage. Steel that delivers to customer delight. The most cost-effective steel. Located in the picturesque settings marked by Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal, Visakhapatnam Steel Plant of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited is the sixth and the last integrated steel plant set up in the public sector. Overcoming several constraints during its construction, the plant started its production in 1990, envisaged with international levels of productivity. The plant is presently operating at 120% capacity utilization. RINL celebrated Silver Festival in 2007 for its 25 years of trust.
RINL is in the forefront of Indian industry with an expenditure of 8% of the total project cost on the pollution control equipment and processes. With more than 40% of the total plant and township area covered with environmental friendly afforestation, quality raw materials are prerequisites for quality products. The billets are rolled in the bar mill, which is equipped with a rapid cooling system for the production of rebars using TempCore process. Wire rods are supplied in 1200 kg coils. High-pressure compactors with automatic tying retain tight and proper coil shape. It also extends to quality service that comes through a well-designed marketing network. Our service providers, the consignment agent and handling contractor of the yards, have good yard facilities which include cranes for handling, straightening machines, bending and cutting facilities, etc.
Steel that live too high, shaping dreams.
Opening up horizons, steel that stands so tall. Vizag Steel
That builds a nation. Steel that makes you proud.
Vizag Steel.
Smart Steel, Vizag Steel.
SR Steel, Visakhapatnam. SR Group. The SR Group is a multinational conglomerate and a leading player in the sectors of steel, oil and gas, power, communications, shipping, ports and logistics, construction and minerals. With operations in more than 20 countries across 5 continents, the group employs 60,000 people with revenues of $15 billion. The world's richest and finest iron ore, fines, are received from the Bailadila mines through 2 routes. Manufacturing processes. The iron ore fines received are transported through conveyors to the ball mill for wet grinding to get the required fineness. The ground product from the ball mill is pumped to the thickener and the underflow is received into the slurry tanks, are dry ground in ball mills to the fineness required for pelletizing. The slurry feed is pumped to filtering units from the slurry tank for solids separation through vacuum and ceramic disc filters, and the filter cake is obtained and stored in bins. The green pellets are fed to the double-deck roller screen through a wide belt conveyor for removal of under and oversizing. The product pellets are sent through a conveyor of about 1.5 kilometers long to the product stacker in the stockpile area for shipment. Captive power plant. The power requirements for the facility are addressed by a 25 megawatt captive power plant which is synchronized with the Aptransco grid. The power plant raw material, low ash and low sulfur coal, is imported from Indonesia. Essar demonstrates quality, environment, health and safety as an integral part of all its processes. The Visakhapatnam facility imbibes these values and has created a lush green cover and has completed many accident-free years. The facility has been appreciated for these through awards and recognitions. Essar, global entrepreneur through positive action. Let's begin.
This is a story of 40 glorious years of the Indian submarine arm. This is a story of the evolution of World War II Vestige Foxtrots to the modern submarines from the east and the west. But this is not about 40 years of operational deployments, torpedo firings, surveillance and covert operations. This is a story of the graduation through dedication, tradition, commitment and above all faith.